Hello, Sparrows Point Middle School. This is your friendly neighborhood stat teacher, Mr. Wickman here. Today I'm going to show you how to access the Sparrows Point Middle School BCPS Needs Assessment. Now you're going to have to go to Naviance, which may be a new thing for most of you. So once you've logged into BCPS 1 like I have, one of the small options in the orange bar is going to be Naviance. Go ahead and click on that. Once it loads to your home screen, you're going to move up here to the top right corner of the screen and click About Me. Then this needs assessment is going to be a survey, so I'm going to come down here to My Surveys and click there. This is a new survey, so I'm going to click on Surveys Not Started. Then you're going to see a couple options. Today, we're going to take the BCPS Sparrows Point Middle School Needs Assessment, so go ahead and click on that, and you are all set.